Creamy vegetable soup. A comforting, easy, and delicious meal ready in just 30 minutes. This one-pot wonder has been a family favorite for over 15 years, perfect for those times when you need a quick and nourishing meal. The beauty of this soup lies in its simplicity and wholesome ingredients. You will need onions, carrots, celery, and potatoes as the base vegetables. Garlic, thyme, and bay leaves add depth of flavor, while vegetable or chicken broth forms the liquid base. The final touch of creaminess comes from your choice of cream, half and half, or a dairy-free alternative like coconut milk. To make the soup, start by chopping all the vegetables into half-inch chunks. This uniform size ensures even cooking. Heat olive oil in a large pot and add the onions, carrots, and celery. Season with salt and red pepper flakes, then cook until the vegetables soften and become fragrant. Next, add the potatoes, garlic, thyme, and bay leaves. Pour in the broth and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. Once the vegetables are cooked, remove the bay leaves and thyme sprigs. Now comes the fun part, blending the soup until smooth and creamy. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot, or carefully transfer the soup to a stand blender. After blending, stir in your choice of cream or milk alternative. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Your creamy vegetable soup is now ready to serve. This versatile soup can be customized to your liking. Try swapping the potatoes for winter squash or sweet potatoes for a different flavor profile. For a vegan version, use vegetable broth and coconut milk or cashew cream. The soup keeps well in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, making it perfect for meal prep. You can also freeze portions for up to 3 months, ensuring you always have a comforting meal on hand. Serve this creamy vegetable soup on its own or with a side of crusty bread. For added texture, top with homemade croutons. Whether you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner or a comforting lunch, this easy, creamy vegetable soup is sure to become a staple in your recipe collection.